I will be reviewing this Patrick Star game, and I saw this, and I'm like, oh my goodness, it's so cool. So as you can see, it's on Nintendo, so I'm going to play it on my Nintendo. So let's do it. So here we have it. We're just going to open it up like that, and here's the little card. Also, the fact that this little thing has like all the games on it is crazy, and I own a whole bunch of games. So we're just gonna grab the Switch, put the card in there, and then we're just gonna turn it on. And then so there it is right here. See, new game. Okay, I don't know why it's saying it's like that. I did get this used, but I kind of saw that it's kind of like cracked. So, it's good, it works though, but I'm glad that it does. 12 sleepless hours later. Okay, so I guess we're waiting. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay, we're going. I don't know which button is that. Oh, no wait, it fell. What's over here? Okay, I guess we're gonna ride. Oh, okay, there we go. There's the Bikini Bottom. I like the way the game looks.
Hey, who turned out the lights?
Ooh, okay. Gary, there's Gary. Okay. Can I jump off this? Okay, I guess we're exploring this. Okay. And I guess you can explore and do quests in this. Okay, I'm going on to this, spin. Oh, grab. Oh, why'd he fall over like that? Okay, Sarah, I did that. How do I get out of this? Okay, there, I just... Swing on the swings. Okay, L. Where's L? Oh, wow. I can't believe how high he did it. Okay, how do I jump off? Okay. So sandbox.
Squeeze me.
Okay, I jump in here.
Much better.
Okay, build. Okay.
Alright, go
See, like, this swingy. Okay, is that this? Oops, okay, no. How do I get rid of this? Oh, okay. So there, I just completed the task.
Don't forget to bring.
And then see, there's like other tasks in there too. Okay, so I do really like this, and I will be playing this. If you guys want like an entire like gameplay, or do you want, or like an entire like video on this, I will probably make a video on this sometime soon. But I do like it, so I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.